driving in the freeway, and this is a really big dust storm. So in Arizona we have a dust storm. So you can see that brownish color in there. That's a dust storm. But still, I think I like holding this one on my camera because it's so light. I can just hold it like this and not worried about doing this all the time.
I don't want to do a gift for my anniversary. I don't want anything. I'm just happy with chocolates.
Everybody's late. I like this part right here. We're recording for almost a minute now. That's storm warning. Okay. That's storm warning. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a bad one. I have to close our windows. So right now we're going to close our windows because of the dust storm, right, hubby?
Yeah.
So look at that brownish thing in the sky.
Look at that big brown cloud.
Big brown cloud. That's a dust storm in Arizona. But it's all good. It's all good. It's still pretty, but you know.
Saying be aware.
It's saying be aware. Dust storm warning, 6:45 p.m. Remember, pull aside, stay alive. Stay alive.
Nope, you don't see this every day.
So look at the, oh my gosh, this is a big one. Yeah, right, Angel? It's a big dust storm.
Look at all those clouds.
Yeah.
Getting messed up.
Oh my gosh. This is it, my love. This is it. Everybody's slowing down. Everybody's slowing down. This is it. Oh wow, this is it. Yes?
This is really scary.
It's scary?
Yes.
Oh, it is, for sure.
Look at all those brown clouds.
Yeah, those are the dusts. They're everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
We're recording for 3 minutes.
All the sand gets on our car, then we have to go to the car wash.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Can you see anything? I think you have to turn on your light.
Don't see
You have to. You don't need to.
sun.
You don't
No
see the sun?
No. See all that brown? Don't see sun.
Oh. So it's 6:45. It's 6:10 right now. So the dust storm will be here in 6:45. Woo! A while ago we recorded. It was so bright, sunset. Now it's all dusty and dark. It's like going to Silent Hill. So that's what we deal with Arizona, the weather. It changes like this sometimes, especially on monsoon season. Right, Tabi?
Monsoon.
Monsoon.
It gets really dusty.
Oh, look at that.
The cloud people say it's getting really dusty.
And the wind is just blowing the car, like makes the car wobbly.
Hey, you don't see anything.
I know.
You don't see
Don't see anything?
anything in this. No, you don't see anything in the sky.
Oh my gosh, we don't see anything in the sky. Yes. Everybody's using the lights, mother.
Those are daytime running lights.
Still got the warning from phone, emergency warning.
Are you still going to go play at the park?
No,
Not like this.
I know, not like this. It's hard for her to see.
She's saying park, so I was going to go.
No, she's just gonna go see mommy now. Oh my gosh, can you see anything? Oh my goodness.
Those dust. Like dusting.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.